Hi everyone, welcome to Wing Tarot. Today we are going to do another pick a card reading. So we are going to see what are the changes coming into your life within 90 days. So within the time frame of 90 days we will see what are the good things which will get manifested, or what are the things around the corner which will come into your life, or if you are waiting for something, then how the things will come into your life, or what is there for you in upcoming 90 days. So you have three options to choose from. The first Wheel of Fortune card is this one. The second Wheel of Fortune card, and third Wheel of Fortune card. So take your time, and then we will start with pile 1. Hi group 1, those who have selected this Wheel of Fortune card, let's get into your reading. What are the things coming into your life in 90 days? Dear God, Goddess and Ancestors, let us know what are the things coming in pile 1's life. What are the things around the corner? What are the good things coming into their life? Bottom of the deck, Strength. Let's see. Okay, it is making sense to me. Currently, you are in a situation where you are not happy. Maybe this situation in terms of your relationship, or it can be also in your job environment, where you are currently having lot of pressure, lot of things are going on in your mind, and you're not coping up with the things which are happening around you. So within 90 days you will be able to get the peace of mind, even if the outer situation is like conflicting, but you will be able to find your inner peace even in this conflicting situation. And soon, really very soon, this situation will change. So you are getting the strength, to change your fate, change your future. The things are really coming rapidly. If it is about your job situation, where your colleagues are like fighting with each other, I mean, if there are some conflicts, or your colleagues are not cooperative, not supportive, your boss who is not supportive, but soon these things will be gone, and you will find peace of your mind, and it will make you a peaceful person. See, like this lady, this Wheel of Fortune, you will be able to find the peace after climbing over it. I mean, it's like you will be able to balance your energy, so your yin and yang will get balanced. So really these changes are coming into your life. You just need to be strong enough to um, get through this phase, and eventually you will end up with something positive in your life. If there are conflicts between you and your life partner, then also your relationship will again be harmonious. You will find harmony again in your relation. So basically, I can see your relationships are going to be improved within next 90 days. I can also sense that currently the outer situation is really affecting your peace of mind. You are listening to different people which are not aligned with your energy, and they are sucking your energy. Your energy is being drained, and they are making you doubtful about your capabilities, about yourself, like what you can achieve in your life. So the point is, you need to understand that you are stronger than them. You are stronger than them. They cannot see the things, or they cannot perceive the things the way you can see those things. So they cannot imagine what you want to achieve, so they want to stay in small area or achieve something small. But your dreams are big, you want to achieve something big, and they are not believing in you. So don't get stressed with such people. You really need to find your inner peace. If you are staying with them, you really need to only focus on yourself. Maybe you can stop interacting with them if you can do so, or you can just keep professional relationships so that you don't need to interact much. But once you find out your peace of mind, once your energies are balanced, of course and these things will happen quickly, and you will also start watching results. I can hear that the job opportunity or the promotion or hike which you are waiting for, it is coming into your life. It is coming into your lives. So in next 90 days, only focus on your work, only focus on what you can achieve, how you can stay healthy, how you can be more balanced, how you can find more harmony in your life. So only focus on those things. The things which you are worrying about, like whether you will get a promotion, or whether your boss is not having good relationship with you, so that's why there are less chances to get promoted and all, just don't think about such thoughts. Don't you don't need to have such thoughts. You just be focused on yourself, what you can achieve. See, people will be having different perspective about everything. So if you listen to 10 people, 10 of them will give you different kind of opinion. So it is better to listen to your inner voice, inner guidance. It is really better to listen to your guidance. I am also getting the energy. So these ones which were not aligned earlier, they are coming together and forming a good art, or being harmonious. So if there is conflicting situation in your family, and you are thinking like why these people are not listening to each other, they can come together, solve the problem, and just live happily, because anyways we need to live together. Then yes, this is going to happen soon. They are finally going to come to some conclusion, and you will be able to find harmony or balance in your life again. So the vibe I'm getting here, that your life is going to become peaceful again, and you will be overjoyed. You will be more happy. So yes, happiness is coming into your life. Let's see any other extra information. innocence and slowing down. I would suggest to find out happiness in small things. Slow down little bit. You don't need to hurry uh, to find balance in your life. There are things take time. Universe takes time to balance the things or make the things aligned in your life. So it's better first you be happy, then automatically everything will fall in place. So slow down, observe the things with different perspective, be happy with yourself, and once you are aligned with within your energy, then outer energy will not affect you much. If possible, change the environment where you are currently staying. I believe that your wisdom, you have very strong inner guidance. You're already aligned. You're already spiritually awakened, and your wisdom is calling you. It's guiding you. It's, it is actually asking you to slow down. And slowing down does not mean you have to stop, or it does not mean that other people will go ahead of you, but it's like taking your own time to heal yourself. Life is not a race. Everyone is having their own pace. So even if you slow down right now, everything and let if you let everything fall into the places, things will really move faster than you think. So I believe that within 90 days everything is coming together, it's getting aligned in your life, so that you will really get better result. Once your yin and yang is balanced, you will really get better results in your life, whether it can be job opportunity or whether it's in your family, or if you want to achieve some big dreams, everything will fall into place. You really need to stop listening to others. Other people will judge you based on their perception, based on their mindset, mentality, and you really need not to bother about such things, because your inner wisdom, your inner guidance is strong enough to guide you. You don't need other people's opinion. When you are stressed, it's better to take a walk in nature. I do understand it's a pandemic situation. Currently, we cannot go outside much, but it's really better to take a walk at least for 15 minutes. Better to be with plants and be in the nature. It will heal you, it will heal your energy, it will ground your energy. This is what is coming forth for you, pile number 1. So I hope you have enjoyed this reading. If you enjoyed this reading, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi pile 2. If you have selected this Wheel of Fortune card, let's get into your reading. Let me take out 3 cards for pile number 2. Dear God, Goddesses, Ancestors and Spirit Guides of pile 2, help us to understand what is going to happen in next 90 days for pile number 2 people. Okay. Bottom of the deck, 6 of Cups. Let me tune into this. Currently, there are some things which are out of balance, which are not aligned. They are like everywhere. And something which you don't want, those negative things are happening in your life. So it's like the big storm is coming. The big storm is coming into your life and you are not able to manage the different areas of your life. So people are taking advantage of you, advantage of your situation. You are absolutely not happy with this. Because if you see this 6 of Cups card, the cat is stopping that girl to take these flowers. Maybe even if things are looking nice, but they are not good enough for you. So I'm getting that with this Justice card, if you are looking for some fair result or fair decision, then yes, this fairness is coming into your life. Currently, things are out of your hand. You are not able to balance them. It may be your relationship, it may be your job situation, or it is like you want to manifest something, but things are way too away from what you want to manifest. It's like nothing is in alignment, and you're not understanding what is happening with you. People are not being nice with you, people are taking advantage of you. But in next 90 days I can see the justice is coming. Those who have done bad with you, those who have taken advantage of you, and finally they will get their karma back. This is what I'm getting. It's like a wheel of fortune is smiling. Soon the time is going to change. Also, I can sense that earlier you were ignoring these things. You are not paying much attention to the bad things which people were doing to you, but now you are like you are awake. You will not let people walk over you. You will simply be strong enough to balance out the things. So once I can sense that once this storm will pass, it will make things clear to you. This storm is for your benefit. It's not going to harm you. It will make your path clear. The things which are currently not aligned, or things which are not supposed to be there in your life, they will go away, so that it will create space for better things which universe can give it to you. So this storm, even if you are afraid of it, you are currently not understanding what to do, how to manage everything. But just wait, let this storm pass and things will be clear to you. Everything will get clear to you, and then you can just sit with yourself and manifest and understand what you want. You will have better clarity. This is what I'm getting. You will get better clarity. You will understand what you want in your life, and from whom you can take those things. The justice card will really bring justice into your life. Whatever you will be losing in this bad phase, it's just a phase. It's not a bad life. So whatever things will be losing in this storm, some better things will be replaced by universe. So some better things are coming into your life. So in next 90 days you will see your life will be more peaceful, because you will be more aligned with yourself. There will be more option, and more spiritual things will happen into your life. You will find more synchronicities in your life, so that even you will start believing that yes, universe is actually listening to me. This chaotic situation will be gone, and in next 90 days I can sense that you will find out what things you want to do, what you need to do in order to fulfill your destiny. So in next 90 days I can sense that you will get better clarity. So better clarity is coming into your life. The people around you who are doing something with bad intention, even if they are talking nicely to you but they are having bad intention, soon they will get their karma back. It's like justice card is there, so everything will be aligned. If you are waiting for some documents which you need to sign, or some legal formalities which you need to complete. Yes, it is going to happen in next 90 days. If you are planning to buy a home, a new house, and you are waiting for the legal documents or legal formalities which you need to complete, yes, it will happen within 90 days. So in next 90 days you will see lot of changes, lot of clarity you will get, and lot of things you will be able to manifest in your life, because your mind will be clear and you will not be having any chaotic situation, because your path will be clear. It may so happen that so many people will be removed from your life, they will be out of your life, because they have served their purpose in your life, they have taught you some lessons, and now it's time that they should live your life, and you will be able to achieve something better. So it's time for clarity, it's time for something better should be coming in your way. Let's see an extra information for pile number 2 people. Yes, politics. See, you will understand real face of people. This storm will actually show you the real face of people. See, this cat is aware that even if these flowers are nice, it's not given to you with good intention. So stay away from them. This cat is actually stopping this girl to take these flowers. So soon you will see the real faces of people, and this storm will actually help you to clear out such people from your life. This wheel of fortune is really smiling onto you, because it's really giving you clarity, and it's removing bad stuff from your life. It's going to bring more harmony into your life. So in next 90 days, just don't restrict to change. Just don't cry for people which are not supposed to be there in your life. These people meant to live your life so that you can actually manifest something better. You can actually be in harmony with your life. See, this high priestess is really peaceful, and she can understand the purpose of such dramatic situation happened in her life. It's like when you will sit with yourself and you will start analyzing the things that why they happened with you, you will understand that it was your part of karma. Some lessons has to be taught to you. So universe had sent such people in your life, and now they have taught you some lesson, and now it's time to leave them and to start off something better. So let this storm pass. Don't get scared of this storm, and everything will fall into its place. So this is what I'm getting for you guys. Thank you for coming back. I love you as always, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi pile 3, those who have selected this Wheel of Fortune card, let's get into your reading. What are the things coming into your life in next 90 days? Okay. For pile number 3 people, dear God, goddesses, ancestors. Oh, so many cards are getting flipped. See, 1 second. I will take back these cards. I will shuffle one more time. I can sense lot of anxiety in you guys, pile number 3 people. What are the things coming into your life in next 90 days? How will be your next 90 days? For pile number 3. Let's get ready to do the work. Okay. I need one more card. Bottom of the deck, 9 of Wands. Let me tune into this. I'm getting multiple energies here, and the first thing first is that in next 90 days you will be presenting with some opportunity. It can be job related, or it can be something in your relationship. If you are single, if you want to get married, or if you are looking for a good potential partner, business partner, then yes, this opportunity will be presented to you. And you really need to look around and see how blessed you are. Instead of just focusing on these 3 cups, you should see that how blessed you are in your life, because that war is over. That war is over, and something is being offered to you. Other people are not happy with their lives. This kind of vibe I'm getting, but once you look around yourself, you will understand that even other people are not happy, and it's not your job to make them happy. You need to move on. You need to move on with your situation, and you have survived. You fought for it, and you have survived. Okay, the next is also death card. So I can sense the transformation is coming into your life. I'm not taking it in reverse. The next is Empress. See, the transformation is coming into your life, so you really need not to miss out this opportunity. I mean, just keep your eyes open and believe that whatever is being offered to you, it's for your own good. You will really get a potential partner which you are looking for. It will give you all I can sense that you will be emotionally fulfilled in next 90 days, that all emotional fulfillment is coming into your life, that war is over and you have won it. You are wounded, but it's okay. You have survived, and that's the best thing has happened with you. You have survived, and now you need to move on. You don't need to think about these negative memories. You really need not to think about negative memories, and you need to accept what is being offered to you. It's like rebirth is happening, the transformation is happening. And yes, you need to be like this empress. Wow, you need to celebrate yourself. So this chapter is over. This is what I'm saying. Sense this wheel of fortune is bringing very positive outcomes into your life. So now you just need to move on. So in next 90 days you need to heal yourself and move on, because your future life is really having abundance, emotionally fulfilled, and you can, the partner or the relationships which you want in your life, they are coming into your life in next 90 days. You will meet many new people in next 90 days, and they will be your soulmates, like from your soul family, and they will be aligned with your destiny, or they will be aligned with your life purpose. So you can easily gel up with them. This is what I'm getting. So everything is getting improved. So everything is improving. Emotional fulfillment, your money, finances. Toxic situation is getting removed from your life, and rebirth is happening. New opportunities are coming into your life. You once you look around yourself, you will understand how blessed you are. How blessed you are. This is what Five of Swords energy I'm getting. Harmony is coming into your relationships. Let's check out any extra information which you need to hear. For pile number 3 people, I have drawn lots of cards, so I just need 2 cards from this deck. So much information for pile number 3. So many cards. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's shuffle again. I don't want to take them all. Just need 2 cards. Okay. Okay, that just flew away. Courage and guilt. So in next 90 days, what I'm sensing, that you don't need to feel guilty about things which have happened in the past. You don't need to keep on thinking about the old things, and you need to really take this new opportunity. You really need to heal yourself, because yes, you have survived from the bad phase of your life. You don't need to keep that guilt in your mind. You just need to move on with your own life. If it means that leaving some people behind, and move away, move on in your own life. You are having a different path and they are having a different path. It really takes courage to bloom again, to bloom from difficult situation. It's okay, whatever has happened, it's gone. Now be courageous, be kind to yourself, and let yourself bloom again. This death card is actually showing the transformation is happening into you. You don't need to be cold person. You can have feelings, you can express yourself, and you just need to bloom again. So in next 90 days you will actually show courage to make your life happy again. You will actually invite new people into your life, and universe will send new people into your life so that you will find harmony. You will celebrate something, see, and you will find all happy things into your life. It's your time to celebrate. It's your time to be abundant again. This bad phase has taught you a lot. Now only remember the lesson and let it go. Just let it go. So this Wheel of Fortune is actually giving you more happiness, transformation, and many new people, new opportunities in your life. Just make sure that you will not miss out any of this. Having said that, I'll stop my reading. So this is for you, pile number 3. I hope you have enjoyed my readings. If you enjoy my readings, give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.